Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to turn off light mode and enable dark mode on the WhatsApp app for PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to customize your app's appearance for a more comfortable viewing experience, especially in low-light environments. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Once it's up and running, you'll notice a menu bar on the left-hand side of the screen. From here, locate the Settings option. It's represented by a gear icon. Click on it to access the app's customization options. Next, in the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Personalization. Click on it to proceed. This section allows you to adjust how WhatsApp looks and feels to suit your preferences. Once inside the Personalization menu, find the option called App Color Theme. This is where you can toggle between light mode and dark mode. To switch to dark mode, simply select dark from the available options, and that's it. Your WhatsApp app will instantly switch to a sleek and eye-friendly dark mode. This not only enhances your viewing experience, but also reduces eye strain during extended use. If you ever want to revert back to light mode, just follow these same steps and select light instead of dark. It's that easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.